Today we're going to be stripping down the Cooper Pegler Classic Sprayer. Remove the filler cap and the strainer. Remove the relief valve cap. Take care there may be some residual pressure within the machine. Remove the relief valve, spring, disc and seal unit. Take off the hose by undoing the brass wing nut. Remove the R-clip, which is holding the operating lever in place. Take off the locating plate and pull out the operating lever. Pull out the bearings from either side of the crank. Roll over and remove the crank. Part loosen all 7 screws with a Phillips screwdriver. Use a power tool to undo the screws. No need to take them all the way out, just halfway. Lift off the clamp ring. Remove the diaphragm with the upper and lower part of the diaphragm holders. Use a Phillips screwdriver to undo the screw that holds the upper and lower part of the diaphragm holder together. Look inside the tank for the holes on either side of the pressure dome with the L-shaped lug. Use a flat bladed screwdriver and push down on the lugs on either side of the pressure dome. Repeat on both sides, pushing down until the cylinder liner is dropped out.